Dongguan Dohearts Technology Co., Limited. Adhering to the business philosophy of winning the hearts of customers wins business, we have more than 25 years of experience in the industry. Since its establishment, we have been constantly innovating, manufacturing equipment with better quality, more excellent performance, higher safety and more human nature. Our equipment and raw materials have been exported to all of the world and have been highly recognized and well praised by customers. We provide one-stop services. From PVC materials, silicone materials and colors. We have CNC machine to make the mold. With professional team to provide technology and training after sales. We have automatic PVC drip production lines make 3D label, shoe slipper, car mats, bar mats. Silicone heat transfer printers. TPR PVC silicone molding machine. Liquid silicone embossing machines. Solid silicone molding machines. Underwear silicone coating machines. Narrow elastic band lace tape silicone coating machine with dot, line, wave and colorful. Webbing embossing machines. Silicone printing machines. Most welcome visit Dohearts Company.